Hi there. Cycle tests and exams can be stressful, and tech challenges definitely don't help. So today we're going to walk you through some common technical problems during cycle tests and exams and what to do if they happen.
That's right. Let's jump into it and help you feel more confident and prepared.
First up, what happens if a learner sees upload time finished on the TIA mobile app?
Unfortunately, this means the submission time on the Invigilator app has ended. You've missed the opportunity to scan and upload your script.
That is why it is so important to manage your time well, monitor your time on the TIA desktop app, and always start the scanning process as soon as your writing time finishes. Okay, and what should you do if the TIA desktop is stuck on pending upload when it's time to scan?
No stress. Learners should have written down the QR access code on the CTN exam cover page. You can manually enter this code into the TIA mobile app to start the scanning process, while the desktop upload continues in the background. Alternatively, you can use the upload later feature on the TIA desktop and then continue with the normal process.
So you don't have to wait, just keep things moving. Next up, what if your mobile app is stuck on uploading PDF?
That's usually a network issue. Check that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data. A weak connection can cause the upload to freeze.
Good to know. It's always smart to have mobile data as a backup just in case. How about when a learner encounters a blank PDF upload screen?
This one's fixable. Click Upload with the blank script, and then you can rescan the QR code from the desktop or enter the QR access code manually. Then scan your script and upload it.
Quick thinking and staying calm can save the day here. Ooh, a null timer on the TIA desktop. What now?
First, close all unnecessary tabs to reduce your computer's load. Check your network, try switching to mobile data if needed. You can also close and reopen the TIA desktop app. If nothing works, just keep writing using the online campus timer and make sure you scan and submit with at least 10 minutes to spare.
The key here is not panic. Keep working and follow the backup plan. And finally, what should learners do if the Invigilator app just stops working?
Start by closing and reopening the app. Once things are back up and running and you have successfully submitted, check that your laptop meets the minimum requirements to ensure your laptop is up to date and that your internet connection is strong and stable.
That is why it's so important to test your setup before the cycle test and exam window opens.
Tech glitches can happen, but being prepared means they don't have to derail your test or exams. Stay calm, know your steps, and remember, support is always just a message away.
Good luck with your cycle tests and exams. You've got this.